Hey guys and welcome back to our channel. This is an in-depth review of Snapdex.com. Is Snapdex.com legit or a scam in 2025? So we'll break down everything you need to know before investing or using the platform. We will explore the pros, cons, features and give you a final verdict based on real user feedback. So don't risk your money and watch this before you use Snapdex. So if you're also thinking about using Snapdex.com in 2025, whether you're here to earn, invest or just curious, this video will give you a full review of the platform, its features, benefits, drawbacks and whether or not it's safe to use them. Let's find out if Snapdex is legit or just another online trap. So, Snapdex is a relatively new online platform that claims to offer users a way to earn money through crypto trading, referrals, and staking services. It has gained attention from its user-friendly interface and promises of quick returns. But is it trustworthy? So let's start with what Snapdex gets right. So some pros include user-friendly interface. It's clean, intuitive and easy to navigate even for beginners. Also, it has multiple withdrawal options, so users can cash out via PayPal, crypto wallets or direct bank transfers. It also has a referral program and a 24/7 support that some users reported very helpful with the responsive live chat support. Now, cons of using Snapdex include lack of transparency. So there's a limited information about who runs the platform, no team or company info is displayed. Also, Snapdex isn't licensed by any major financial authority, which raises concerns about security. Then, some users complain about needing to reach a high balance before being allowed to withdraw. Also, there are mixed reviews, like some users report smooth withdrawals while others say that their funds are stuck or delayed. As of now, Snapdex sits in a grey area. It's not officially exposed as a scam, but the lack of transparency, regulation and inconsistent user feedback make it a risky choice, especially for large investments. If you're using it, proceed with caution and never invest more than you're willing to lose. So final verdict will be Snapdex may work for some, but it's not for everyone. It has potential but also warning signs. If you're a beginner, consider starting as small or sticking to better known crypto platforms that are fully licensed. And always do your own research before committing any funds. So, thanks for watching this Snapdex review. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below with your own experience or any questions. Stay safe out there. And I will see you in the next video.